Hi everyone, this is Alex from Asianda. Welcome to Asianda on the booth on the 2020 ISE. So today we're going to introduce our new product, is the Mosaic video wall. So you can see that Asianda LCD display, Mosaic video wall without processor. This time we're going to have the resolution about the video wall for the Mosaic. So you can see that it is the 3 by 3, but it can create your own ideas without limit. So that means that anything that we can see that is to make the different combinations. This is a 3 by 2, and also you can make any kind of the pictures or the angles you would like. So you can see that the perfect video, the picture will be have wonderful ideas to show to your customers to see a different. So this product will be a very perfect device to show some of your ideas on the control room, on the on some of the shopping mall to attract you for your audience, for your potential customers. So but if you want to know more about this product, we're going to show you more information on our website. And this one, it is the 55-inch, the LG, the normal brightness. So thank you everyone. Thank you.